There is a big hat man. Hi everyone, welcome back into my new vlog. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful park on the Narsingi to Nanakramguda service road. So let's get started. वाटर फाउंटेन है, अभी ऑफ है ये. There are trees. These are not real trees. The branches are made by rods. The trees seem like a real. These are old Indian money coins. I have also a 5 rupees coin in my pocket. There is a big artificial rock. I was feeling like a king when I sat there for a moment. Children are working on a lock. There is a big hat man. This is like my own hat. There is a 3 men with huge hats.
Look at me sometimes like
It's a 3 man.
to do is run. Hear me out, hear me
It's a 2-sided hat.
If all the things you never show, there are the things I want to know.
The park is on the road. It is raining right now. It is raining heavily. For escaping from the rain, I was hiding under the trees.
Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who's
बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही है.
things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
अगर आपको व्लॉग अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कर देना, सब्सक्राइब कर देना और आपका एक फ्रेंड को शेयर कर देना। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। आई विल सी यू इन टू अनदर व्लॉग।